I have in front of me here the Amiko HD-8140 cable T2 set-top box. Basically, this is the Amiko unit. It's replacing a predecessor, which I think the main one before this was the Mini HD T2 cable box. So what it has is it has a single tuner on the back and a handle either T2 signal or T indeed, and also the cable signal on it. So what I'm going to do here for this video is I'm just going to give an overview of exactly what comes in the box. We'll give a detailed overview of the unit itself, and then we're just going to actually look at it in action here. We actually have it tuned in off our UHF aerial, and we can just see the picture quality, etc. on it. So it comes in this outer box here. We have a user manual which is in English. We have a set of AAA batteries for the remote control. The remote itself is very easy to use. It's good range, nice chunky buttons on it, and good in terms of the angle to work from as well. All important stuff. And we have the main feature then itself, which is the set-top box. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to open the flap in the front, and I'm just going to come around and we'll talk about the unit here in some detail. So what we have here is we just have an on-off button. We have the menu button. And also we have a plus and minus button for volume and for plus and minus for channels, and we have a select button as well. We have a Konex card reader here, you can just see that. And if I just rotate the unit around, just move the power lead out of the way, and what we do there is we have the input here, the RF in, so that's basically can handle either cable or T2 signal inwards. We have SPDIF and we have the SCART output. So with older TVs we'd use a SCART, and obviously with newer TVs, because we're trying to get the full HD picture, we would use the HDMI output on it. We can network the box using the Ethernet connection here, and we also have an RS-232 connection, and we have a USB port here as well, which is very, very good. You can add on for both PVR for media players, for, you know, if you're putting on a Wi-Fi dongle connected this way as well, something like that. And then we just have an on-off switch on it as well. So what I've done here, we'll say, is we've just actually tuned this in, and I'll just bring it up here very quickly, and we can just see we just tuned in the terrestrial channels on it there directly, so you could just flick through and tune into the different things, etc. So that's basically it. It's a good quality box. You know, the satellite tune is probably the main sales here, but there is very solid sales for these units as well, and just part of a much wider range of Amiko, Saab, Odyssean and other high-end set-top boxes that are available on freetv.ie.